Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simplify the following exponents with numerical bases. We have 3 to the power of 102 multiplying 3 to the power of 101 divided by 3 to the power of 204 minus 6 times 3 to the power of 201. For my numerator, because I have multiplication between the two terms and they have the same base, I'm going to apply the laws of exponents that states that if I have a to the power of x multiplying a to the power of y, because the base are the same, then my answer will be a to the power of x plus y. So because what I have as my numerator has a base of 3, I'm going to merge the exponents, so I have that as 3 to the power of 102 plus 101. Then for my denominator, I leave it as it is for now, so I have 3 to the power of 204 minus 6 times 3 to the power of 201. Simplifying further, that will be 3 to the power of 203 divided by 3 to the power of 204 minus 6 times 3 to the power of 201. The next step, because for my denominator, I have those two terms separated by a minus, what I'm going to do is to look for a common factor at the top and at the bottom. And to find a common factor, I'm going to use the base with the lowest exponent, and in this case that is 3 to the power of 201. So breaking up each term, I'm going to break down 3 to the power of 203 for my numerator into 3 to the power of 201 times 3 to the power of, to make up for the 203, so I have 203 minus 201, I'm left with 2. Always make sure that when you simplify backwards, you can still get the old value. So applying laws of exponents, my numerator, that will give us 201 plus 2, which is 203. For my denominator, I'm going to do the same. Remember, I'm using my 3 to the power of 201 as my benchmark. So that will be times 3 to the power of, to make 204, I have 3 left. Then I have minus 3 to the power of 201 again times 6 times 3 to the power of, I have 201 and 201, so that's 1. So I'm going to leave it as it is. So therefore, if I highlight my common terms at the top and at the bottom, and I factor that out, I have 3 to the power of 201 times 3 squared divided by 3 to the power of 201. I'm going to factor that out. I'm left with 3 to the power of 3 minus 6. The next step, I have 3 to the power of 201 dividing each other. Now I'm left with, for my numerator, that's 3 squared, which is 9, divided by, at the bottom, 3 cubed, that's 27, minus 6. And that will give me 9 over 21. And if I simplify further by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 3, my final answer will be 3 over 7. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Bye.